Hey everyone, welcome to Goldmine's Review. If you're serious, stick to this. In the next 5 minutes, we're covering everything you need to know about AI Cash Cow, including an overview, key features, pros and cons, pricing, ratings, and the final verdict. In a short span, you'll get the full picture. Let's begin. AI Cash Cow is a course and digital asset bundle designed for marketers and small business owners who rely on online channels. It's created by Alex Jeffreys and Mike Marin, two veterans with over 21 years of experience in the marketing space. The product focuses on helping you build complete AI-powered marketing systems. This includes things like a custom AI game plan, process automation, and a structure to improve client acquisition with less time and effort. Now let's talk about the key features. First, it teaches you how to create unlimited, high-converting content using AI. This goes beyond basic prompts and helps you create content that actually sells. Second, you'll get scaling strategies used to help real clients grow from 5 to 6 figures a year. It's tested and practical. Third, the AI employee concept is a standout. You'll learn how to build a virtual AI assistant that can perform marketing tasks, and even be offered as a service to small business clients. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros include authentic, no-hype delivery, real-world marketing models, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. On the downside, there's no live support or real-time doubt-clearing sessions. And it doesn't promise lifetime access, which might matter to some users. Let's break down the pricing. The main AI Cash Cow course is only $9. Additional products include Cold 2 sold for $27, AI Social Ads for $27, and Force 42 for $37. Altogether, it's still more affordable than most typical courses. User ratings hover around 4 out of 5. People like the clean structure, fair pricing, and how easy it is to implement. It's great for beginners and solopreneurs looking for clarity without breaking the bank. So here's the final verdict. If you're just starting in marketing or running a small business without the time or budget for complex content creation and sales funnels, AI Cash Cow is definitely worth a look. It simplifies the process, gives you structure, and helps you get real results using AI. That wraps up this review. If you're serious, the link is in the description. Check it out, apply it, and make AI work for your business. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, consider subscribing for more honest reviews, digital tools, and content tips. The download link and discount offer are in the description. See you in the next one.